रचे बनवारी संग सोहे राधा प्यारी संग सोहे राधा प्यारी राज रचे बनवारी राज रचे बनवारी गौर बदन राधा सुकुमारी गौर बदन राधा सुकुमारी श्याम बरन से कुंज बिहारी श्याम बरन से कुंज बिहारी देव काले बादल में बिजली चमक रही मतवारी देव काले बादल में बिजली चमक रही मतवारी रात रचे बनवारी रात रचे बनवारी
His Highness Prince Chandrakirti.
My prince,
Beautiful.
isn't the moonlight beautiful?
Yes. Very beautiful.
I hear somebody's going to be crowned this month.
Yes. And I've also heard something.
What is it?
That before that, somebody's going to get married.
With whom, Your Highness? I must know about it. It's a matter of great historical importance.
Mahakal, don't worry about your historical importance. That's your music. Dance.
Priya, music, dance.
Priya, music. Music. Priya, dance, dance.
You and I, and this moonlit night, my dreams coming true.
And mine too.
Chandra,
My love. Your Highness.
Captain Taya to see Your Highness.
Taya? What brings him here? All right. Go him in.
Taya, it's always Taya. He must come and spoil everything.
Indrani.
Why can't he leave us alone?
May I assure our beloved court dancer that it does not give me any pleasure to be the cause of her discomfort.
Taya.
Your Highness, I come here at the specific instructions of His Majesty the King.
And what's his pleasure this time?
It is to inform you about the arrival of His Holiness Kashishwar. He is now only a few miles away from here, at the temple of Shyam Sundar.
I know that. You were to receive and bring him in a procession, weren't you?
Yes, Your Highness. But His Holiness would not come in a procession and turn me back.
Perhaps His Holiness would not condescend to accompany the captain of the guards.
He said he was a hermit and did not need a procession. He preferred to come alone.
Thanks for the information. You may go now.
But His Majesty thinks that perhaps His Holiness has been offended and wants Your Highness to go and receive him.
But why should I go?
because he's bringing with him the sacred dust from Lord Chaitanya's feet.
The sacred dust.
His Majesty desires that under no circumstances should His Holiness come alone. If something were to happen to him...
Go and tell my father that it's sinful on the part of a true Vaishnava even to think of such a mishap. No harm can ever befall a person who carries with him the sacred dust.
Very well, Your Highness.
The sacred dust.
Yes, the sacred dust. And with that, he will bless you and me when we get married.
Will he? Will he, Chandra?
Why shouldn't he? He has come here to distribute it among the faithful followers of Lord Chaitanya. When you dance and sing in praise of our Lord Krishna, you remind me of the devotion of Radha.
Please do not compare me with Radha. You forget that I'm a mere dancer.
No, Indrani, you're not a mere dancer. You are divine.
Divine. Oh no, my friend. I'm only a slave.
Jaya Madhava, Mukunda Murari, Jaya Madhava, Mukunda Murari, Jaya Madhava, Mukunda Murari, Vanavari, Vanavari, Girivardhari, Madhava.
Well. And what else did he say? He said that no harm could befall a man who carried with him the sacred dust of Lord Chaitanya's feet.
So my son has learned to talk like a philosopher, a true Vaishnava indeed. It means that he will escort His Holiness to the shrine.
Pardon me, Your Majesty, he will not.
Why?
The prince worships too much at the shrine of beauty to think of the shrine of God.
What do you mean?
He's still with Indrani, the court dancer.
The court dancer. It's always the court dancer. Must he lose his head over a court dancer? And so he sent you back. Well, we shall see. Holy hymn singers of our beloved kingdom, on behalf of the lady of the house, I welcome you on this most auspicious night of the festival of the full moon.
We are grateful for this hospitality.
And now, in accordance with the custom of our land, you will witness Ras Leela, the glorious dance of our Lord Sri Krishna and his devotee Radha.
Hallowed be the name of our Lord Sri Krishna.
सखी श्याम रस मोर मन में अपनी अटारी बैठ सुनू मैं बंस की मीठी तान सखी बंस की मीठी तान। चांद सूरज दोनों नयन बना के श्याम छवि सखी मन हारू। सखी तन मन प्राण प्रिया से।
His Majesty the King.
Chandra!
Your master.